All right, so before we look at February's numbers, I got to apologize for January's numbers last month. They were not just awful, they were incorrect. So I pulled the data. I didn't know I had to verify the data, but I'm definitely verifying now. So these numbers are correct for February. Sorry about the confusion for January, but let's get right to it. Median sales price, Norfolk, Virginia, $286,000. We're looking at February 2023, comparing it to February 22. Woo! Look at that, 7.9% increase. Back in February 2022, the median sales price was $265,000. And here we go. We're at 286. Last month it was 272. The highest it's reached in the last 12 months was 295. So 286. Norfolk still knocking it out of the park with a high median sales price. Number of closed transactions 197. Now that number is down 34.3%. You can see it was 300. Last February, and now we're at 197. We had it as high as that 375, 398 was our highest in the last 12 months, but now only 197 closed transactions. Number of days on market is 15. I know 15 sounds outrageously high based upon the 10 that it was a year ago, what have you. But I got to tell you, 15 is very normal. 15, 30 days, that's kind of a normal market in real estate. It hasn't been recently, but I'm just saying, been doing it 26 years, 27 years. That's a relatively normal number as we start to climb a little bit more. You're still getting full price. Good news, you're still getting full price, as you've been pretty much getting full price over the last 12 months. Median sold dollar per square foot, $190 a square foot. And that's pretty much got some growth to it, much like the median sales price. 250 new listings on the market. Now that number was 337 last February. So that's an interesting number. Not as many people putting their home on the market as they did a year ago. Only 250. And our current active inventory, pretty much holding the same. It was 392 a year ago. It's 383 right now. And our month supply of inventory, this is still well below a normal number, which would be 3, 4, 5, 6 months of inventory. Here we are at 1.9. And you can see a year ago it was 1.3. Not a lot of change. I mean, it doesn't take a lot to change the percentages here, but 2.6 months back a month ago, and now we're back down to 1.9. What does that mean? It means how long would it take to liquidate our current inventory if there were no new listings on the market? And so with that in mind, 1.9 months isn't a long time, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, that's normal market. So if you're a seller, take advantage of the market is pretty much what I'm saying. If you're a buyer, you still need to write a tight offer, and you're still going to have some competition, not as much as you've had over the last 12 months, but you're still going to have some competition. Will we start to see prices come down? Not really sure. It just depends on what the interest rates carry and what supply and demand are. That's really the bottom line is when it comes to real estate, pretty much when it comes to anything that you have to finance. So if you're a seller, take advantage of us, of me. We are Redefy, Redefy, flatfee.com. We list homes, sell homes with a full service, 100%, including a professional photographer. It's a $300 setup fee, and it's $5,500 at closing, no matter what the sales price is. $5,500 on the listing side, plus the $300, $5,800. If it's a $700,000 home, 3% commission, that's $21,000. Full service, $55 plus the $300 setup fee. Check us out, redefy flatfee.com. You can always call me, 757-515-4728. We will be back next month looking at March. Please be sure to check out Virginia Beach and Chesapeake's most recent YouTube videos as well. Make it a great day. Stay safe out there.